Welcome to all. My name is Dr. Senthil Murugan, Associate Professor, Mechatronics Engineering Department, K.S.Rangasamy College of Technology, Tiruchendur. Now, I will explain about the hydraulic circuits. A hydraulic circuit is a system that uses fluid power to transfer energy from one place to another. A hydraulic circuit is a systematic arrangement of various hydraulic components to perform a specific task. The kind of enclosed fluid-based systems using pressurized incompressible liquids as transmission medias are called as hydraulic systems. The hydraulic system works on the principle of Pascal law, which says that pressure in an enclosed fluid is uniform in all directions. This is the basic system of hydraulic circuit. This one is the fluid tank. From this fluid tank, hydraulic fluid is sent into the actuator. After filter, hydraulic pump. Hydraulic pump used to give the pressurized fluid. Then this fluid liquid goes to the pressure regulator. After that, the control valve is there. Then the actuator is here. Then we will do our task. The component of hydraulic circuits are oil reservoir. Number one is oil reservoir. Number two is pump, pressure relief valve, direction control valve, flow control valve, and double acting cylinder. These are the very important. How much pressure we can measure using this pressure gauge. Oil reservoir. The main function of the oil reservoir is store the sufficient amount of hydraulic oil in the system. This is the symbol for oil reservoir. Next, the pump. Pump generally it converts the mechanical energy into hydraulic energy. This is the symbol of pump. There is a two types of pump. One type is positive displacement pump. It can deliver the constant flow even at high pressure. Pressure relief valve. It is an important component which is required for every positive displacement pump. This valve is connected to the outlet of the pump. Its main function is to release the oil back to the tank when the pressure is increased. See, this is the oil from pump. Whenever the pressure is go beyond the setting limit, then it will actuate the spool, then it's come to the reservoir. So whenever the pressure is high, the oil through this via it will come to the reservoir. Yeah. Direction control valve. It controls the direction of the flow of the oil by which it performs extension and retraction of the actuator. This is the flow control valve symbol. It's control the rate of flow of oil, which is the speed of extension or retraction of the actuator is controlled. Pressure gauge, it is an important component. It shows the pressure reading. Whenever the pressure setting is go beyond the limit, the pressure relief valve come to the actuator. Filter, its main function is to remove the suspended solid contamination from the oil to provide the clean hydraulic oil to the system. Actuator, actuator is nothing but it produces work. There are two types. One is the linear actuator and a rotary actuator. The linear actuator is called a cylinder. Rotary actuator is called as a motor. A double acting cylinder develops a force and motion. It converts hydraulic energy into mechanical energy. This is the symbol of double acting cylinder, that is actuator. This is the basic hydraulic circuit. This is the reservoir and this is the hydraulic pump, pressure relief valve, filter, 4x3 direction control valve, flow control valve, check valve, and actuator. Generally, by using this pump, we will get the pressurized fluid. Then, see, in this position, the pressurized fluid enters to the blank end. Then the extension stroke will take place. Then through this way, the liquid comes to the reservoir. We now shift the position to our left side mode. Then the retraction of the cylinder takes place. Whenever there is a high pressure than the setting limit, the pressure relief valve come into the action, then that fluid comes to the reservoir. This is the basic function of hydraulic circuit. So this is the advantages of hydraulic power in hydraulic circuit. Hydraulic power is easy to produce, transmit, store, regulate and control, maintain and transform. Weight to power ratio of hydraulic system is comparatively less than that for an electromechanical system. It is possible to generate high gain in force and power amplification. Hydraulic systems are uniform and smooth, generate stepless motion and variable speed and force to a great accuracy. Applications. Hydraulic circuits are used in many applications, machine tools like CNC machines, hydraulic shapers, etc., material handling equipment, elevators, forklift, cranes, lift and hoists, etc. Construction field. In that construction field, earth moving machines such as cranes, dozers, dumpers, trucks, tractors, etc. Automobiles. It is used in automobiles in the hydraulic brakes, hydraulic steering, hydraulic suspension, hydraulic clutch, hydraulic power transmission, and hydraulic coupling. In aerospace, brakes, flight controls, loading doors, elevators, flap, etc. In railways, hydraulic brakes, hydraulic steering, and hydraulic clutches are used here. And marine field, ship steering system, shipyards and shipbuildings, agriculture equipment, harvesting, tractors, field sprayers, seeding machines. These are the applications of hydraulic circuits. These are my references. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and growing. Thank you.